Hi, in this video, we're going to take a quick look at how to install statcounter into your Astro site. I have a testing site set up here with Astro, and if we reload it, you can see there are no current connections to statcounter, so the package is not installed. Let's go ahead and go split screen with VS Code, where I have the server running and my SSH up. Let's cancel that and follow the install steps. The first step is npm install at statcounter/astro. Added one package. And the next thing we want to do is edit the layout file and add this line to import the stat counter into the layout file. For me, it is called main layout.astro. And we add this to the top. And the next thing you do is add the stat counter component to the bottom. You want to put this right before the closing body tag. And to get your project ID and security code, go to your stat counter project. And in the lower left-hand corner, click the gear icon where it says project config, and then click settings and scroll down and copy your project ID and then copy your security code and then save it. And we can close this now. And of course, because that's the main layout file, it's going to add that stat counter to every page. And now we are going to open the terminal back up and we are going to rebuild the site and run it again and check to make sure that everything went as we want it to. And here's the site. Clear the network activity and reload. And we now see a network call to counter.js and t.php. That's where stat counter sends the hit to. So you can filter for stat counter and you want to click around a little bit to make sure it is sending a new hit to t.php every single time. This stat counter package will track if you're in SPA mode or if you are in the multi-page app mode. Either way, it will correctly install and send a hit on every page change. Thank you very much for your time, and please let us know if you have any questions.